Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to refund games you have purchased on the Xbox Series S. So the first step is you just want to head over on your computer or your phone to the link which will be in the description down below, and it'll bring you to this one, request a refund for digital games. So you're going to see here to start your refund request, just sign in. So you want to click on the sign in, and you want to sign in with the same Microsoft account you used to purchase games on your Xbox Series S. So then you'll be brought to this page here, and you're going to see request availability, and then you can select whichever one you have bought. So you can see here we have a request available for the Call of Duty points. I've already spent them, so if you've already spent your digital items, you're not gonna be able to refund them. Well, you could, but they'll ban your account, so not worth it. And then you also have here, you can see item purchased over 14 days ago, request conditional, Call of Duty Black Ops 3 Zombies Deluxe. So if you want a guaranteed refund, meaning you're gonna get the refund, no questions asked, the game must be purchased less than 14 days ago, and you need to have less than 2 hours of playtime on the game. So just keep that in mind. Well, I don't care, because even though this is over 14 days ago, I haven't played this game for like probably 10 minutes because I already have the disc. So I'm just going to click on request a refund, and then reason for request, I'm just going to, say accidental purchased, what happens, and really just fill out the form like you want to. So I'm just going to say, I already own this. I already own the Black Ops 3 disc and have played it in the past. And so email address, just leave that as it is. Just click on next and then submit. And yeah, so they'll review your request. Keep in mind that the request you see there is conditional, so it may not 100% go through. However, if you see request available, that will 100% go through. Conditional means it may not. So it really just depends how compelling you are in your reason. If you're compelling enough, you get that refund. Otherwise, you will not. So really, that's all there is to it. Hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.